My name is Helena Yermolenko. I've competed for the first time in November 2014 here in US. Started weight training in September that year. Before I was the ballroom dancer. I still teach dance fitness. Love it. Competed in ballroom dancing as well. I competed in ballroom dancing since 2007 for about 4 years until we moved to BC. Altogether I've been dancing for about 10 years. I competed at the Night of Champion in September last year, and at that competition, at that show, my son and I were competing together, and that was very cool experience, because the parents should be leaders for their kids, and they are the ones who are supposed to be an example, set an example for the kids. And if you are not active, kids not going to be active. So my son and I were an excellent team, and we work out together, we work out buddies, and now he's doing what he's doing. He loves it, and I love that he spends time at the gym and not somewhere else. I train at Canada Games Pool here in US. That's an excellent facility, beautiful gym, lots of space, lots of benches, very warm, love it. I train people to lose weight. Basically, I took the program that I'm using for myself for the competition preparation, and I use that program and a meal planning for all of my clients, because this is the highest way of training, and when you compete, you are at the top level of training. And I take this and I bring it to all of my clients. I push them to go on stage, because that breaks a lot of fear in people, and they completely change their mindset as well. But also the ability to follow the program, the ability to change their life, change their food intake, especially, because that's what makes you actually look the way we look when we compete. That's one part. The biggest thing, however, what I am working with people on, it's a mindset, and seeing the change in the brain. That's my best and most favorite thing to see. I just finished the Kelowna Classic, placed second at that show, qualified for the BC Cup, looking super forward to compete at the first drag tested show. My plan is to go to New Brunswick right after and compete at nationals, and of course next step is to represent Canada in the Worlds. Yeah, the spot in there is for my next trophy. I always leave a little spot. Actually, my son started this little tradition. His trophies, he was always visualizing whenever he was going to compete. He would leave a little room on the mantle. So I am following actually his example right now and visualizing my next trophy on that spot. And I forgot the next part.
Oh, that's okay. No,
thank yous.
Pardon?
Thank yous, right?
So you want to say thank yous, and then you go, it's bye from Helena, and I hope to see you at the BCs. Okay?
Yeah. I want to really thank my son. He inspires me the most, and the biggest thing that was actually happening once, and I still remember, I am eating my chocolate that I'm not supposed to eat, and he comes up to me, he goes, give me half of it. Champions don't cheat. Now, whenever I wanna eat something else that is outside of my meal plan, I think of that, like champions don't cheat. And I really want to thank him for that. I also want to thank my boyfriend for being there for me and helping me with my prep. I want to really say thank you to my meal planner, Leanne Babcock. She's been with me ever since I competed for the first time, and I do not see myself doing any prep without her, even if I am not during the competitions, because she does guide me a lot with the food. I want to thank my coach, Sylvain. He started off my career as a competitor, and I really want to thank actually BCA, BBA for providing us opportunities with such an amazing amount of shows, especially now, and giving this drug-tested natural athletes way to go. Well, that's about it. Thank you so much. My name is Helena, and I hope to see you at BC Cup.
This has been 6 Weeks Of. Your journey, your story.